In this video, I'll be showing how to enable .NET Framework 3.5 without any internet connection. As you can see, I am not connected to the internet, and if I see the Windows features list which are enabled, you can see that .NET Framework 3.5 is not enabled. Moreover, if I try to run this program that is dependent on .NET Framework 3.5, you will see that it is telling me to download and install .NET Framework 3.5. In order to do this, you need a disk image file of Windows 10 or Windows 11. I have several Windows 10s and only one image file for the Windows 11. I will be picking randomly this 21.h1, which was released more than 2 years ago. Now mount it. After mounting it, check the drive letter. For this case, the drive letter is Q. It may be different for your case. Just notice the drive letter. I will be copying this. Now go to this link. This is an tutorial or an article by Microsoft, whichever you call it. This is the link for this website. You can scan the QR code. Now in this web page, go to bottom of it. Now copy this command. Now open command prompt with run as administrator. Click yes. Now paste the command. Before pressing enter, just change this letter D to that mounted letter, the one that was shown after mounting the disk image file. So for my case, it was Q. Now run it. The operation completed successfully. Now if we check the Windows features list, you will see that .NET Framework 3.5 is enabled. Moreover, if we try to run that program again, the program is working without any problem. Thank you for watching this video.